Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to view all the shared documents in your Messenger chat. This updated method makes it easier than ever to access those files you may need to revisit, whether it's an important document, a photo, or a link. So, let's get started. First, the initial step you need to take is to open the Messenger app on your Android device. If you've already got it installed, go ahead and find the icon and give it a tap. Once the app is open and you're logged in, head on over to the contact with whom you want to view the shared documents. This could be a friend, family member, or even a colleague. Just scroll through your chats, or use the search function to find them quickly. After opening the chat, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the contact's name. Tap on their name, and this will bring up a new menu with multiple options. Now, you'll want to tap on the option that says View Media, File, and Links. This is where all your shared media will be stored, as well as any links or documents you've exchanged. Finally, to specifically view all the documents shared between you two, select Files. This will display all your shared docs in one comprehensive list, making it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. And there you have it. Now you know how to effortlessly view all shared documents on Messenger. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more updated tips and tutorials.